How to maximize the benefits of IT consulting for your business. One of the unfortunate realities of consulting is that clients cannot put the recommendations of consultants into practical use. Data oftentimes appear unworkable and inapplicable for the business that receives it. How can a business maximize IT consulting? At TroyNet, we've been helping organizations make better decisions through technology consulting since the year 2000. Here are our top ways how to boost IT consulting services. Number 1. Come up with a brief but substantial management goal. Management goals can be very wordy, and the IT consultant might spend time in less important matters. Strive to boil down the statement into a few sentences of what you want to achieve. Make it overarching and picture out your end goal for the business. Make clear statements categorized for short-term, medium-term, and long-term. This way, tech recommendations will be grounded on those clearly defined goals. At TroyNet, we assist our clients craft these very important articles. Number 2. Balance between technology-driven and management-driven. Goals must not only be technology-driven, but be management-driven. On the other way around, technology must also reinforce best practices and replace outdated ones. Finding the right balance in these two while building a relationship with the administration is the art and skill of a good IT consultant. After conveying your overarching management goal, make room for the possibility of disruptions or modifications that the introduction of technology can bring. As IT consultants, we incorporate change management into this area. Number 3. Fast adoption to technology. The market is evolving as fast as technology. The time-honored principle is to adopt or die. Businesses that have outdated practices, slow tech adoption, and management which are averse to change are vulnerable, especially in light of COVID-19. But take note, fast adoption doesn't necessarily equate to success. A guided and fast adoption is what matters. The advent of the pandemic paved the way for two striking realizations. First, one situation on the other side of the world can alter the global business landscape in a very short time. Second, the importance of digitalization cannot be neglected. Technology is no longer isolated to one of the departments. It must be permeating to every fabric and corner of your business. This pandemic paved the way for two emerging roles necessary to stay afloat: the Chief Medical Officer and the Chief Technology or Information Officer, CTO, CIO. As much as you need to have the right health protocols in place, your business also needs a branch with co-equal powers and co-equal responsibility that would ensure your resilience with technology, the CTO. At TroyNet, this has been our battle cry, our mission. We want small businesses, even the small and micro ones, to enjoy the life-giving benefits of technology consulting. Technology can make or break your brand. A slow network, a buggy website, an unsecured server could even cause your demise. We call our role as Virtual Chief Information Officer, VCIO, VCTO. We act as the virtual CIO or CTO where the business no longer needs to hire one. We make sure that where technology is incorporated, business needs are being taken care of well. We take care of assessments, procurements, updates, support, troubleshooting, among many. We want to stay focused on making business, deepening your roots, and we take care of creating solutions, preventing problems, ensuring the effectiveness of the change we introduced. We have other tips on how you can enjoy the life-giving benefits of technology. Contact us for a complimentary consulting.